Traders still suppose that the Federal Reserve will slacken the pace of the key interest rate hike. Against this backdrop, the US dollar is weakening, whereas the European currencies might have benefited from the situation and gained in value. The fact is that there are more and more whispers that the European Central Bank may also alter its stance. That's why economists expect a rise of just 50 basis points at the next meeting. Although the Eurozone disclosed quite positive GDP data, both the euro and the pound sterling just inched up. The situation could be explained by the extremely oversold US dollar. It means that the upward potential of both currencies is really small. In other words, the US unemployment claims report, which may unveil that the market situation has been worsening for the ninth week in a row, will hardly lead to a noticeable decline in the greenback. Thus, the number of first-time unemployment claims is expected to increase by 15,000. However, data on the contingent claims is of a high importance. The number may advance by 12,000. Notably, the number of contingent claims has been growing for 7 weeks already, and this proves that the overall situation in the labor market is getting worse. On the trading chart, we see that after a short-lived hovering below 1.05, the euro resumed rising against the US dollar. As a result, the number of long positions surged, thus spurring a jump above 1.05. Under the current conditions, traders should pay attention to such levels as 1.0550, yesterday's high, and 1.1430, an intermediate support level. The price settlement beyond either level on the 4-hour chart may indicate its further direction. Until then, the euro-dollar pair may fluctuate within the mentioned levels. Meanwhile, the pound-dollar pair left the sideways channel slightly below 1.2150 by forming an upward impulse. As a result, the quote climbed above 1.22, pointing to a rise in the volume of long positions. It's quite possible that the price consolidation above 1.22 may intensify the upward movement. In the event of this, the quote may start rising towards the high of the upward cycle located at 1.2343. Otherwise, the pair may start hovering along 1.2150, which will reflect traders' uncertainty about the pair's future direction. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.